It's time for this week's Clash of the Week in the Hostplus Cup and a trip across Moreton Bay to North Stradbroke Island. Wynnum Manly Seagulls up against the Sunshine Coast Falcons. A perfect start for Wynnum Manly. Ruben crossing just 3 minutes later. The Falcons' first try came in the 15th minute through young Tonamapea.
Got it!
Harrison O'Toole crossed for the Falcons with 3 minutes left in the first half. At the break, we had a close one on our hands. Wynnum Manly led by 12 points to 10. An early try to kick things off for the second half for the Seagulls. Kalolo Satawa crossing.
Don't ball plant. Hit the ball. Move!
Then the Falcons hit back. Harrison O'Toole with his second try of the game.
Go down! Go down!
Then it looked like the Falcons were about to take control. Young Tonamapea also with a double as he crossed the 62nd minute.
Backward. Down. Play on. That's okay, play on. Release the leg!
But then a big finish from Wynnum. Matthew Milson crossing in the 73rd minute for the Seagulls. And the match was sealed just before full time. Kalolo Saitawa with his second try of the game as he crossed for Wynnum Manly. A thrilling contest, the Battle of the Birds. The Seagulls getting the win by 8. Wynnum Manly 30, the Falcons 22. For more of this week's action, head to qplus.tv. Peter Basoldas, Queensland Rugby League.